Hey Julie, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. Just shooting over the video about how you can improve your online revenue. Um, yeah, just taking a look at your website. Got the header here with your logo as well as your number. What I would advise is making this a click to call so someone can quickly click on this to call you directly instead of having to input it. It just, people are lazy. It just helps. As well as you scroll down, um, there's really not much on your website. It's more all just linking to other pages, which the home page, as Google is looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And then, of course, on all the other pages, you're looking for about 750 or 500 to 1,000 words as well, depending on the page. So that's essentially what you'd be looking for with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is those buyer intent words, those that customers would put in to find your specific services. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on in the back end of your website. And we'll use a site called Ahrefs. This allows us to do that. So two main things we're looking at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength that Google places in your that Google has in your website, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your website. Now, the way you can build those up, we are looking for about 30 to 30. That's a very good website is if you have 30 UR rating and 30 DR rating. The way you get that is through strong backlinks. What a backlink is, any site that leads back to yours, that has a link that leads back to your site. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a site from Wikipedia would be extremely bad because that is spammy. However, a site from a distinguished flooring blog would be very good because that's relevant content to what you provide. Now, another important thing are those keywords. As I said before, those organic keywords. So you technically have 173 of them. And that's what your that's what you're going to pop up if someone puts something in. What's going to pop up if they're searching for your service. So let's take a look at what your keywords are. So the main keywords that you're going for or that you have are People's Signature Flooring, People's Austin, and Cork Flooring Austin. So those are you, essentially, your company. So of course you're going to be the one to pop up. So that's why you're getting that traffic, but that's not for buyer intent. That's just to find your specific store. Now, as you head down, you see Flooring Austin. 500 people search for that. That's a buyer intent keyword. And you can see you're in 30th place. So you're on the third page. So no one goes to the third page. Signature hardwood floors. That once again not a very good keyword you want to go for because that's kind of you. Let's continue down. Vinyl flooring, as you can see, not many people search for that. So as you can see, you're not ranking for any keyword like Austin Hardwood Flooring. 500 people search for that, but you're not even on the rankings anymore. So you're not ranking for any words that would put you at the top to allow you to be seen by customers that are searching for your service. So let's take a look at what a good keyword would be. So Hardwood Flooring Austin, Texas. So first thing that pops up, PPC. So the people that are paying to be at the front. Second thing, super important, is that Google Map Pack. So 30 to 40% of all people stop right here and pick one of the top 3 on the Google Map Pack, which it's super important to get on because of that. Now, then you have your organic rankings. So this is by the strength of your website. Now let's take a look at the top person. So the top person is the Austin Hardwood Flooring. They get a kind of cheat because that's their name. But if we take a look at their website, very simple site. They have everything that they need, all the different how you get with them, what they do. And then, of course, it's just a lot of pictures, reviews, and stuff they do. They don't have a ton of content, but they do have a lot going on, which helps them. As well as they have a bunch of, they have their schedule now, and yeah, it's very, they set it up pretty well. Now, let's take a look behind the scenes at why they're doing so well. So, first, their UR rating 32, awesome. Their DR rating, their trust 4.8, not great. Um, they're strong because they have a ton of backlinks, 1.1K, which is awesome. And their organic keywords, which words they're actually ranking for and being put to the front of Google. Now, if we take a look at what their keywords are, Austin Hardwood Flooring, which cheap, that's them, so it kind of helps. Hardwood Flooring Austin, Hardwood Floor Austin, Austin Hardwood Floors. All of these are insane keywords with 500 people searching them a month. And since they're on the front page, look at the traffic they're getting. They're getting a ton of traffic from that. So if we're looking to beat them, what we need to do is, of course, get their backlinks. They have one point, they're beating you out by 1,000. So you need to update all those backlinks. You got to take all the good ones from them because you know they work, and you can just add them to yours to boost your backlinks. As well as you want to get that content, 1,500 to 2,000 words to boost up that content to add those keywords in, um, so Google knows to rank you for those specific keywords. And as you saw, just from one keyword that they had, they're getting more traffic than you're getting from your entire website. So if you start ranking for those keywords, you can take that traffic, add it to you to get more out of your website. Now, Julie, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.